name is Isaac Chong and I am 30 years old.
Hi, my name is Gauthier and I'm 8 years old.
What are your thoughts after COVID-19?
I get to see my friends and I can be smart at school and see my teacher in real life.
My thoughts after COVID-19 is that I can go to school now, meet my teachers, and make new friends. What are you looking forward to?
Scientists are getting COVID in the whole entire world.
I'm looking forward to COVID-19 not existing. Thanks for watching our video. I'm Isaac.
And I'm Gauthier.
I just